Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more. Marigold Health offers a unique approach to mental wellness, leveraging the power of peer support alongside traditional therapy. Their platform provides a safe and anonymous online community where individuals can connect with others facing similar challenges. This creates a supportive environment where members can share experiences, offer encouragement, and gain valuable insights from their peers' journeys. Marigold Health recognizes that mental health is not a one-size-fits-all experience, and their platform complements individual therapy by fostering a sense of belonging and shared understanding. The anonymity feature ensures privacy and allows individuals to express themselves openly without fear of judgment. This digital community provides readily available support, bridging the gaps between therapy sessions and offering a continuous source of encouragement. By combining the benefits of peer support with professional guidance, Marigold Health aims to empower individuals on their mental health journey. This integrated approach addresses the often overlooked aspect of social connection in recovery, fostering a stronger sense of community and resilience. The platform's accessibility also helps overcome barriers to traditional care, such as cost, location, and stigma. Through their innovative platform, Marigold Health strives to create a more inclusive and supportive mental health care experience, contributing to a more holistic and community-driven approach to well-being. The platform provides a structured program with guided activities and resources, ensuring members have access to valuable information and support tools. This organized approach fosters a sense of progress and empowerment, motivating individuals to actively engage in their recovery. Moreover, Marigold Health facilitates connections with licensed therapists, providing a comprehensive and integrated approach to mental health care. This combination of peer support and professional guidance allows individuals to benefit from both the shared experiences of the community and the expertise of trained professionals. By leveraging technology to connect individuals with a supportive community and professional resources, Marigold Health is paving the way for a more accessible and effective approach to mental wellness. They are dedicated to removing barriers and fostering a more inclusive environment for individuals seeking mental health care.